Hello, everyone. In this segment, I'll show you how to create your first React component and export it. Let's get started. Step 1. Initialize the app.jsx file. Open the app file in your src directory. This is the main component of our application. Clear out any default content and styles in this file. We want to start with a clean slate. Your file should look like this. Step 2. Create a new component file. Inside the src directory, create a folder named Components if it doesn't already exist. This folder will hold all our reusable components. Inside this folder, create a file named header.jsx. Step 3. Add the component code. Let's open the header.jsx file in your code editor. A React component is typically a JavaScript function that returns a piece of UI. We'll use a functional component for this example. Define a function called header. Inside this function, return a JSX element that represents our header. In this case, we'll create a header tag containing an h1 tag with some text. Finally, export the header component so that it can be imported and used in other parts of our application. Use the export default syntax for this. Step 4. Import and use the component. Now that we have created and exported our header component, let's use it in the main app.jsx file. Open the app file in your code editor. This is the main component of our application. At the top of the file, import the header component we just created. This allows us to use it inside the app component. Add the header component within the return statement. This will render our header at the top of the page. You can add it like a regular HTML tag. Step 5. Start the development server. To see your new component in action, open your terminal and run npm run dev or yarn dev. Once the server is running, open your browser and go to http localhost 5173, and that's it. We've successfully created a simple React component and integrated it into our app. The header should now be displayed at the top of the page saying "Welcome to my React app." Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.